Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. In today's video, we're taking a look at two analyst top stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at two analyst top stocks. That means stocks that have been recently picking up ratings from some highly ranked Wall Street analysts. We'll be taking a look at the stocks and what's been going on with them lately and how the other analysts weigh in. Just before we get into all of that, this is a reminder to check out the TipRanks website if you want to follow along, or download the mobile app by following links in the description down below. Now let's get right into these two analyst top stocks. Under research tools, we're looking at top analyst stocks. At the top, we have a consensus by sector where we can see how analysts have been weighing in overall. And down below, we have our list of analysts' most recommended stocks. Of course, we'll be looking for strong buys. One stock that has recently been scooping up some buy ratings is Verint Systems. Their stock trades under the ticker VRNT, currently priced about $35 per share. They do have a market cap of $2.32 billion and are up a few percent over the last 6 months, but down 31% this past year, but up 60% over the last 3, so some volatility in the past here. Verint Systems engages in providing actionable intelligence. They operate through 3 different segments, including their Enterprise Intelligence segment, the Cyber Intelligence Solutions segment, and Video and Situation Intelligence. The company recently reported earnings yesterday on March 29th, where they did beat both earnings and revenue estimates. They reported revenue of just over $236 million and earnings per share of 75 cents, beating expectations by 3 cents per share. This is one of many earnings beat in the company's history. In other recent news for the company, they also announced an expanded partnership with Google Cloud. With this expanded partnership, they'll be helping organizations improve contact center performance through the integration of Google's Cloud Contact Center AI and the Verint customer engagement platform. Now, the Verint Systems stock does not have a ton of analyst coverage. In fact, it just has 4 current analyst ratings within the last 3 months, but 3 of those ratings all came in today. The stock is currently rated a strong buy based on 3 buy ratings and 1 hold. The average price target of over $46 would be an upside potential of 31% for the next year. Taking a look at these recent ratings, all the ones from today are coming from 5-star analysts, which we love to see. Their upside potentials range from 30 to a couple at 41%. Taking a look at the RBC Capital rating from today, we can see the article where it says that the company's Q4 results were essentially in line with the firm's estimates, and as they exit the software as a service revenue transition, Verint's revenue and free cash flow growth should accelerate over time. Now, the stock has fallen following their earnings report, but we'll see if the tides start to turn with those bullish analyst outlooks. Now, the second stock on our list that is attracting some analyst attention is Chord Energy. Their stock trades under the ticker CHRD, currently priced at $133 per share. Now, they are up a few percent over the last 6 months, 12% this past year, but 468% over the last 3 years. As the name may have given away, Chord is an energy company. Chord Energy is a scaled unconventional U.S. oil producer with a premier Williston Basin acreage position. They acquire, exploit, develop, and explore for crude oil, natural gas, and natural gas liquids, helping to supply the energy that powers and improves daily life around the world. They reported their most recent earnings near the end of February. And with an earnings per share of $5.28, they did fall short of analyst expectations. Taking a look at the press release here, the company did cite severe winter weather impacted their production and deferred development activity, which did result in their oil volumes and capital being well below guidance. We have seen hedge funds overall increase their holdings in the stock. With total hedge funds increasing their holdings by over 72,000 shares, we did have some companies completely take up new positions. Chord Energy does also pay a dividend, and when I show you this, you're going to be quite surprised by the dividend yield, but let me explain. Their next dividend payment is $4.80, which gives a current dividend yield of over 21%, and that seems very high. But what that actually is a base plus variable cash dividend. So their actual normal declared dividend is just $1.25 per share. And of course, we're looking at this stock because it's been getting recent analyst attention. This time we have 6 total analyst ratings, most within this last month, and one of them as recent as today. And those 6 analysts all come in with a buy rating for an overall strong buy and a price target of $185, which would be an upside of 39% from current prices. The most recent rating came in today from 5-star analyst Scott Hanold with an average upside of 42%. So that is a quick look at 2 stocks that have picked up ratings from some top rank analysts lately. Now I know these 2 companies were brand new to me, definitely piqued my interest to do some further research. Let me know your thoughts on these stocks in the comments down below. As always, keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stocks and are just meant for investment and entertainment purposes. Please make sure you're doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. If you made it to the end, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and let me know your thoughts again in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.